It's been a long time since I've done a hair tutorial, and I have these little curls from my plait, so I figured why not try something. So I figured I'd show you guys a simple thing that you can do if you've braided your hair at night. This is sort of like a twist braid thing. I don't know what to call it, and I'm a hairdresser, but I've got this little doodaddy thing, and I used to do this when I was younger, and I've been doing it recently because I feel like it's unique, but it's easy enough that anybody can do it. So what you do is you stick the thing in, you flip it over and pull it through, and it's pretty easy. I feel like even like primary school kids can figure this out, so most people could do this one, and you don't really need braiding skills to be able to do it. It can tuck behind your ear, you can do it as like long braids, and I feel like that it is just really cute, if I'm honest. I've also got another technique of how to do that, so I'll show you how to do that in a second. I feel like that not everybody will have access to this little doodaddy thingy, so I figured I'll show you how to do it. You could just separate a hole and literally just flip it over, pull it through, and then pull it tight. And it is so simple, so easy. And you can do this in different ways. You can do long braids, short braids. I also like to curl little bits around my hair when I've got a style like this, because I feel like that it just puts it all together. And I wanted an excuse to wear this shirt, so I had a costume change. But I feel like if you add just random curls, it gives this ethereal kind of fairy-like look almost. And I feel like that can be quite beautiful. You can do it neat, you can do it messy. I like to break things up and separate the hair to make it sit better together, I suppose. But I feel like that this needed a little bit of blush added, and yes, I do use my fingers for my eyeshadows. Don't roast me, it's just me using them, and I typically clean my hands. I like to use this kind of look. I've been doing this since the 2000s and kind of never stopped, but this kind of white is a little bit more shinier than what I'm used to. So yeah, but that's the complete look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.